Welcome back, everyone. This is James N. Smith with whoisjamesnsmith.com. Just wanted to get together with you today and make a video showing you some of the options in your back office, as I call it, to your WordPress blog. So what we want to do is we're going to want to get logged into our WordPress blog. So just go to your domain name. Mine's whoisjamesnsmith.com/wp-admin. Enter. We're going to get logged in here. Enter your username and your password. It's going to take us to our dashboard. It's going to show you some of the different things. I've already installed some stuff here, so what you're going to see here is right now it's going to tell you what's going on. You got some different things. I got 3 posts, 4 pages, 7 different categories, some different tags, 1 comment showing here that has a spam. It's telling me what theme I have installed and how many widgets. Over here on the right, I have a little bit of stats. You can see I'm just kind of peeking up and down right now, just getting this going, this particular site going. So it's just going up and down, moving along well. You have a bunch of different options here, and one of the things I want to go over is come up here to the top. You have screen options, and once you click on that, right through here, you can actually tell WordPress what you want to see in your dashboard. Now your number of columns, and let's say you pick 1 here, what that's going to do is it's going to take all this and it's going to line it up in 1 column. It's going to be the full width, but I have chosen 2. So it has a column here on the left, has a column here on the right. Okay, 3 columns, once again it's going to break it down into thirds, and 4 columns going to break it into fourths. I happen to like this, but you can come up here and there's some different things. Each one of these boxes that are checked, it's showing on in my actual dashboard. So you know, that's each one of these things. Like recent drafts right here, if I wanted to come up here and I wanted to unclick recent drafts, okay, I'm going to scroll back down. It's no longer there. As you notice, it's gone because it's unchecked. So you can just choose what you want, see how you like the feel of what you have, what's laid out. Right now it's telling me I have 2 different things that need some updates. I got this Akismet in here, and that's anti-spamware for comments and stuff like that. Let's go to the posts right here. What we're going to do is click on the all posts, and it's going to bring it up and show you a post is what is actually like your blog. So there's 2 different things that we want to talk about: posts and pages. Now here it's going to just give you a breakdown and an overview, the title, who authored it, the categories, and you can set that up, and I'll go over that briefly, and tags just to kind of work with your search engine optimization, when it was published, different items like that. If you want to add a new one, you click on add new, and it's just going to bring you in right there. You go. Put your title here, and you can come down here, and this is where you'll actually add in your information. Categories, okay, that'll allow you to choose what category that it'll post in. Sorry, I hit post tags. That'll give you, you'll have a section that you can put your tags in, and then here's your categories. It's just some of the different categories that I've preliminary put on here. Once again, just getting this going. And I'm going to close that up. Media, you have a media library. If you want to upload any pictures or videos or anything, you have that option. You can just upload them here. Once again, I've just thrown a couple basic pictures in here. You can add new again, and basically when you add the new, what it'll do is it's going to ask you where you want to add it from. You can select a file off your PC. You know, you can select just a whole bunch of different options there that you can go through. It's not an in-depth tutorial, so we're just going to move on. You have links here. If you want to add any links to different, let's say you want to add a link to your website, a Twitter website, Twitter account, or Facebook, you can do that. If you have a link to anything else, you can just add that in there. Once again, you can look at all the links and the categories. Now here's where we're going to get to pages. I just want to briefly show you something here. Pages, okay, let's get over here. These are my pages right here, okay. Meet me, recommended resources, let's work together, contact. That's pages. Posts are going to be down here, okay? And so that's a lot different than pages and posts. That's just the difference in the two. Once again, a post is like your blog, okay? And then you have your page, which is going to be a totally separate page. It's going to change, okay? So you can look at your pages. You can even arrange your pages if you get them up there and for some reason you don't like it. You know, you want to add a new page. Once you get it up, you can hover over wherever the page is. You can edit it, quick edit. You can throw it into trash. You can view it, whatever you want to do. You can click this box here and it'll highlight all of them. And it says here bulk actions. You can choose different actions. If you want to throw them all, edit them all, throw them all away, whatever you want to do. Then you just click the apply button. The apply button's right here. Okay. Let's go over that. And you have comments, you know, just some, once you get some comments on your page, you can come over and look at that. We've already been over the appearance vaguely because we went over, whenever in the video we showed you how to install a Word theme or WordPress theme from either Woo Themes or Elegant Themes. But in case you haven't watched that video yet, you have different appearances. You can go to your themes here and it'll give you some options on managing your themes, managing themes and installing themes. You have widgets. I'm going to spend real quick on a widget. These widgets over here on the left are what are available. Okay, and I want to scroll down. These widgets are inactive widgets, and the difference between these is if you have moved a widget into one of your sidebars, and basically all you do is you highlight what one you want and you drag it over and it'll give you this outline box here and you just let it go. Well, once you do that, it installs it into that sidebar. So anytime you go back and refresh your website, that'll be there. And you can close it down, save it, change information, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to delete it out of there. Basically, it throws it back here. But what these widgets are, once you get a widget here, let's say for instance I've edited this widget here, and I just put a little information in it there, and it's good to go. But let's say I just want to store it for a minute and I don't want to. I can highlight that, just click on it and highlight it. You bring it down here to the bottom, the inactive widgets, and you just tuck it in somewhere and let it go. And that saves your information. If you just move it back to the top right here, that information that you have in there is going to be gone. This just saves your information so you can grab a hold of it. Bring it back up here to your sidebar, wherever this is, maybe the left or right, and just stick it back in there and be done with it. You have the different menus, and these are just some different customizations. Once again, this particular one here is the particular theme I have installed right now. It's the control panel for that. You have your background. Okay, this is where you can control some of the customization with colors, some of the images that are on there, just different items like that. You got your header and your editor. Just once again, if you want to edit different things, this is CSS. You can see that there. That may be a little bit in more over than your head right now. This right here is the particular theme I have installed right now. Just some minor stuff that I've just been playing around with. I don't really have a whole lot to say. The next one I want to go over is plugins, and you'll find as you go through there'll be some different plugins that are going to help you to choose different, just they're like applications would be in Facebook or maybe on your smartphone. Basically they can do different things for you, like the Akismat that I showed you earlier. It blocks spam. That's a plugin, and there's some different plugins for search engine optimization and other things like that, and that'll do it there. Go down here to tools, just open up tools, and you can look at the different tools that are available. Go into settings here, and I just want to show you one thing or a couple things. You know, we can just kind of scroll through here. General settings. This is whenever we first set it up, what's displayed in different areas, like the site title and the taglines, the URLs, just some different items like that. This will allow you to set your date format, your time zone. I'm in Central Time Zone, so I just simply set it up off Chicago. It's real simple and easy. How you want your date to display, how you want your time to display, what day you want the week to start. Just little things like that. I want to go to permalinks though, because permalinks is going to be important. You have a couple different options, and what this is the permanent link. For instance, when you're on a page or a post or anything, the permanent link tells what to put up here at the top. Okay. And one thing you want to do for search engine, there's a couple different, a default, whatever page, date and name, nothing. But what you want to do is you want to come down here to custom structure. And this is for search engine optimization. And what this is going to do is whatever you post your name as or whatever the page is, it's going to add that to the title bar. So whenever the spiders or the bots that are out there that are scouring the internet looking for stuff to post in the search engines, that's going to help you get found better. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come in here and put the /% post name %/ okay. And what that's going to do, the custom structure, click the little radio button right out here. Once again, /% post name %/ click save changes down at the bottom. That's just going to help you out with search engine optimization. You may not understand all that now. That's fine. It's not that important to understand as much as you know to do it right now, and you'll come along. These are some of the plugins that I have: Google Analytics, Comment Love, just some of the different plugins. So it's going to add some items in here whenever you're setting it up. You have a contact information. Once again, these are just some more of the plugins that I have, and that's pretty much the dashboard right there. So what we've done today is we just kind of gave you a brief overview of the dashboard. I hope you learned something. And once again, this is James N. Smith with whoisjamesnsmith.com. We are helping you to succeed, and we want to help you succeed in anything that you set your mind to do.